Okay, today we're gonna solve trigonometric equation. Oh, I forgot. Don't forget the dues. But we're gonna focus on sine and cosine. We're not gonna focus on a tangent, secant, cotangent, and cosecant, all of that. The most basic is sine and cosine, as you will know, and tangent too. But we're gonna focus on sine and cosine first. Okay, so here our first problem. What is sine x equal? Let's do cosine. What is cosine x equal to 1? Well, if you look at the unit circle, 1 is located right here on the on the x coordinate. So it's 1, comma 0. X, y. Y is sine, x is 0. So right here is 0 and 2 pi, or 360, or 0 degree, or this pi of 2 is pi, and this is 3 pi of 2. Like so. So this is the answer, right? Yes. So the answer is, so you take inverse both sides, x equal to 0. That's it, 0 degree. But if you start from right here, rotate 360 degree, or 2 pi, you end up at the same spot. So we're gonna add 360 degree, which is 2 pi. Well, but you can do this multiple times. You can go around it multiple times, like this. So we're gonna add a letter to it, like K. So K, it gotta be an integer if you want it to be same point. If you like 4.3, so 2 pi, 4 pi, 0.3, so like a little bit up like this, so it's not gonna be the right answer. So answer K is answer. You choose any letter like N. Normally I choose T, N, K. Okay. Now we're gonna work on 2 cosine minus 1 equals 0. Well, let's isolate. Oh my god, forgot the x. We're gonna try to isolate x. So let's add 1 to both sides. So you get 2 cosine x is equal to 1. Sorry, I used to write like this. So divide by 2 both sides. You gotta probably do 2. I don't know, maybe not. So cosine x is equal to 1/2. Take the inverse cosine both sides. This and this will cancel, right? So x is equal to inverse cosine of 1/2. Draw a unit circle. It's located at 60 degrees. So this is 60 degrees. So pi over 3. So it's going to be 1/2, then root 3 over 2. This is the sine answer on the y. So this is equal to pi over 3. If you rotate 360 degrees, you receive at the same spot. So we're gonna add 2 pi. Let's do n this time. And it gotta be integer. Okay? I will do n the most because I don't know why. But yeah, n gotta be integer. What if z? So z element z. That'd be funny, right? Okay, let's do sine this time because we do a lot of cosine. Okay, so we have Two sine x equals square root 2. Divide by 2 both sides. You do this. So this and this cancel. So sine x is equal to, reduce this, you multiply by like this. This and this cancel. So you get 2, reduce it. So you get 1 over root 2. Like so. Or you can just leave it like this. Don't really matter. Take the inverse both sides. So you get inverse of 1 over 2 is 45 degrees. Or pi over 4. So pi over 4 is located right here. You rotate it 360 degrees. You end up with the same answer. So plus 2 pi n. And to prove this, what did I just write? That we got a plus 2 pi n. Let's plug in a number for n. 2. So it will be 4 pi. So pi over 4 plus 4 pi. So let's make the common denominator. So it'll be 16 pi. Like so. So this you would get 17 pi over 4. Really big number, right? But I mean 17 pi. I do not know what 17 pi located at. Let's convert to degrees so we can know where it's located at. This reduced by 2. So you get 260. 90 actually. 90 by 2 again. So you get 17 times 90 by 2 is 45. Is that right? Sure. Yeah. So 45. Multiply by this out. Oh my god. Multiply. 3, 8, 2, 6, 7, 6, 5. Oh, 765. Very nice. 765. Gonna take me a long time. So we gotta start right here. 360. 5. 20. Add another 360. Well, we gotta add this. So 765. Subtract from 520. That is 4. And we got 245. 200. So 540. 200 degree. 200 degree. So if we get 180 right here, 200 like right here, and 45 more. So you're probably gonna end up right there. But yeah, you see the 45 right here. I don't know, but it's probably correct. I don't know. But yeah, for this problem. And the second problem, the fourth one, the final one we're gonna do. Pretty easy. Keyword. Add 5 both sides. My bad. I'm gonna do this quickly. You can pause the video if you want to. So we're gonna take the top and bottom. So you just get equal to plus or minus root 3 over 2. Take the inverse. So x To the positive, you will get pi of 6. Ain't that right? Is one more answer. If you take the negative of it, it will be 5 pi of 6. It can be 11 pi of 6 or 7 pi of 6. But the range of the inverse function is in between 0 and pi. I almost write K, that's why it looked like that. What the? Sorry.